Aaron and she talks.
Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Everything Tech Pro channel. My name is Jack and I'll be your host today. Now today, coming at you with another tutorial on how to clean all cache out of your Windows 10 system. Now we're going to be using the manual ways that Windows lets us do and just a cheeky few tips. There is plenty of software that will clean up your system for you, but I'm just going to show you how to do this manually for the moment. So yeah, let's get started. Alrighty guys, there's probably a lot more than what I covered today, but I'm going to cover the bare minimum that I know. Okay, so first you're going to go into the File Explorer. Now you're in the File Explorer, you're going to go to the drive that has your Windows system on it. You're going to click on it. You're going to go and click on Windows. You're going to click on. You're going to go down and find a file thing called software distribution. Now this is all the software distribution thing. You're going to go to the download folder. Okay, so this is all your downloads here, all your useless downloads. And what you're going to do, you're going to press Control A and you can press Control D. Look at all that, guys, all of that being removed. Click continue if any of that happens. Preparing. Alrighty guys, now we've immediately just removed so much from our computer, it is unreal. Alright guys, so the next part of this tutorial, we're going to go to the temp area. So to do this, you can press the Windows key and the R key, and this will open up this little run box, or you can right click this little Windows logo and you can go to run. Doesn't matter how you do it as long as you get there. Now you want to press shift %, no, you want to press %, TEMP %, and then you want to hit enter. Here we are, so we're in the temp area at this moment, and this is also all 100% useless stuff that Windows isn't using, your software isn't using, nothing on your computer is using it, it's just here collecting dust. So what you do, you want to press Control A, and then you want to press Control D. Click skip if anything, click do this for all current items and skip. Click continue. So all this stuff, this is stuff that's being used and it will tell you to skip. So if something's being used, it will make sure you skip it. Okay, so that's been the temp area. So now we're going to go to another part of the temp area by pressing Windows R once again, getting rid of what we've already written and just writing TEMP without any percentages, so hit enter. Here we are. Here's some also very useless stuff that is not being used. If it is being used, it won't let you delete it. So what we want to do, once again, press Control A, Control D. Click skip. As you can see, there's about 4 things being used. Oh, sorry, there's 3 things being used. Okay, cool. Now we're done with the temp area. We're going to the prefetch area now. What you want to do, you want to press Windows R, get rid of temp, and you want to type PREFETCH. This is the prefetch area. It will say you don't have permission. Click continue. Once again, this is all useless things that are being built up and not being used. If it's being used, it'll tell you to skip. Okay. So what you want to do, you press Control A, Control D. That will proceed to delete, and this is the only thing that should be being used. If it's not, it's not. Okay, so as you can see, prefetch. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now you want to close out that. Anyway, guys, we're going to move on to the next part of this tutorial now. Oh yeah, guys, I just forgot. There's one more thing that you can do with the ROM box. So if you you can reset the Windows Store. That will clear cache from the Windows Store and everything. So what you want to do, click Windows R once again, of course, to open the ROM box, and you remove whatever you just wrote, and you type in WS reset. This will then proceed to reset the Windows Store for you. This also works if you are having issues with the Windows Store, something's wrong with it, something's not doing what you need it to, anything like that. So if we give it a sec, there you go. It has reset my Windows Store, my Microsoft Store. There should no longer be a single issue wrong with my Windows store. As you can see, whole new reset, everything's Gucci. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to clear on our computer is Microsoft Edge data. Now if you're like me, you don't use Microsoft Edge at all, it is not on your taskbar. So I'm just going to whip it up for you. It's supposed to be at the start of the taskbar. Anyway, once you've opened up Edge, here we are at Edge. You want to click the 3 dots in the top right. You now want to go to settings and you want to go down here. You'll see something called clear browsing data. You want to click choose what to clear. Now tick every box and you want to tick every single box unless you want your passwords and stuff and you use this thing. Just tick what you want to remove and tick this. It says always clear this when I close my browser. So if you take this on, it will always clear all this stuff once you close your browser. Okay, so that's done. Then you click clear. Or clear. Okay, and now we close. Okay, so we're just going to move on to the next one now. Okay guys, so for the final, but certainly not the least, way to clean up your computer is called Disk Cleaner. Cleanup is a software that Microsoft has on the Windows 10. Just anyway, so when you want to do, you want to click here to search, and you want to type disk. It will come up with Disk Cleanup. You'll see this. You want to click this. You want to go to the one that has your Windows 10 copy on. So mine's on my solid state drive. You want to click OK. Now, I did this last night, so it's not going to be as much as you think. There'll be a lot. There's a lot in my recycle bin because of all the other steps we took. But yeah. And here's kind of like the icing of the cake, it will remove everything. So that's an extra 235 megabytes I'm getting back from doing nothing, guys. It's crazy, from just following this video, steps in this video. I like to do this weekly, okay? Like once a week, on a Sunday, or whenever, a Monday, whenever you want to, I recommend to. So I'm going to click and I'm going to delete the files. We will see it go to work. I'll be back once it's done. Alrighty guys, the disk cleanup software has completed cleaning my PC and now I have a fresh as a daisy computer. It'll be as fast as it's ever been, it'll be like working as good as it's ever been. I haven't done much to my computer because I do this weekly. If you keep this weekly, you can maintain your computer's speeds and performance, which is a great thing if you think about it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this installment of Everything Tech Pro channel video. Follow us on Instagram, it's on screen right now. If we can get 10 likes in this video, I'll be so happy with you guys. Thank you so much. We're about to hit 20 subscribers. Thank you for that. That's some emails. Thank you for 14 subscribers. We're on the road to 20 as of now. Drop a like on this video. Follow us on Instagram. We do sneak peeks and video editing streaks and stuff like that. You know. And make sure you show support, comment if this worked, share this video with a friend if this didn't help you, or share it with a friend that it will help as well as you. And I hope you enjoy this channel, stay awesome, and stay techie.